Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Today we're going to test out this beautiful yellow 1969 buggy. We're going to put a camera on it right here so you guys get some really nice shots. If you have any questions, click on the link below. It's going to have underside shots, a full gallery, and this awesome video. Overall condition, I would rate this one a 7 out of 10, just because of the age of the vehicle, age of the fiberglass. You can see that it was put together nicely, and I'm sure you're hearing that airplane right behind us right now. We are 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale airport, so if you want to fly in to look at any of our inventory, jump on a plane. We're 5 minutes from there, and we'll take care of it. As I walk down the sides of it, extremely clean. You're going to see some mud on it because we're going to definitely test this out. That's what we like to do here at Bullet Motorsports. Interior is very nice. You do have a speedometer that operates oil pressure gauge here, so you can see what's going on with the motor. You do have your ejection seat here. I don't know why that's there, but that's a neat little feature. Little roll bar that's mounted here. Wooden trim panels throughout, so you don't see any of the fiberglass, and you can put things back there. I'm also including a set of race black seat belts with this one. It does have seat belts right now, but they don't match the theme of it, so we're going to include that. Glass was just replaced with Lexan, so you don't have to worry about anything happening. The original piece was cracked. Your lights operate as they should, and look at how beautiful the engine is. So you have the buggy style exhaust here. It's actually not very loud. It's the perfect sound. You can hear it rumble as you go down there. Tires have about 80% tread on them, and I love the chrome wheels. So as we do a walk around on the driver's side, you're going to see how nice they are back here. So it's a little bit of a bigger tire back here. It gives it a nice rake. Disregard the plant here, and you can see the body line. So everything's flat black on the bottom. You have a Grant steering wheel. Gauges, as I said before, gas gauges right there. And a beautiful top. So you fold this up, and you're able to cover yourself from the sun. All these pins work as they should. I'm going to start it up right now. I'm going to jump in it, and we're going to go for a test drive and get you guys some amazing shots. Let's do it. So it starts up easily like that. Listen to it. We're going to have some fun here. I'm going to mount the camera on it so we get some really nice interior shots, and then we'll have a chase four-wheeler so you can get you guys this thing shooting sand everywhere, and then you guys can decide if you want to put this in your garage. If you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. All right, so we're going to test this out off-road first, and then we'll get some riding shots of it on the main road. Right now, we're headed to our sand pit. Nice view today. Here we go. Let's get this corner here. Whoa! Let's take this corner. Doesn't have a lot of pep, but it's really fun. Here we go. It runs good. Let's get on the main road and show you what it'll do on the road. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. We are going to take this back to our warehouse right now. We're going to take it on the main road so you can see it go through all the gears. Once again, we are 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale Airport, so if you want to fly in, we got you covered. I don't think anybody's going to fly in to see this. This video will showcase a ton of the features on this one. That's second gear. Look at these guys, they're racing their mini bikes. Third and fourth gear with no issues. Back into third. Second. Woo! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm out of here.